Now let's look at the word below the fold. For you to understand below the fold, if first have to understand above the fold. And if you go back and watch my video or podcast on definitions of digital marketing words that begin with A, I explain above the fold. But here I'll still explain below the fold again. So what is above the fold? Above the fold refers to where an ad is placed on a web page. Placement above the fold means the visitor can see the ad in a browser without having to scroll. Above the fold can refer to how your landing page for lead capture or how your ad appears on your browser. This is an example of above the fold and below the fold. So if users have to scroll down to view all your landing page or ad, then your landing page or ad is not above the fold, which means it is below the fold. But if all your landing page or ad fits on the browser screen, especially in mobile devices, without your users having to scroll down, then your lead generation landing page or ad is above the fold. So if you have to scroll down to see the whole web page, then it is below the fold. But if you do not have to scroll to see the entire page, then it is considered above the fold.